Hey, good morning, guys. We have a new sponsor for this video. Anchor decided to send us the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. The Motion Boom Plus is completely portable and waterproof, lightweight, easy to carry with the strap over your shoulder. Take it on a hike, take it to the beach, take it out on the boat, use it around the property while you're doing projects just like us. Take the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus with you on a ride in your side-by-side out in the woods. The Motion Boom Plus has 80 watts of powerful sound. 20 hours of runtime on a single charge. Is IP67 waterproof. If you were to dump this in the lake, river, leave it out in the weather, it would be perfectly fine. It is Bluetooth capable, bass up capable, and PartyCast 2.0 capable also. Say you're having a party at the off-grid property or at the beach or poolside. You could throw two of these speakers up, pair them together, and run one on each side of the party. So guys, if you're looking for an outdoor portable speaker, please check out the Soundcore by Anchor. It's a wonderful unit, has great sound. You will not be disappointed. It's because of sponsors like Anchor sending us the Soundcore that we are able to do what we're doing here. So if you guys are looking for a portable outdoor speaker, please consider looking in the description box below and the pinned comment below for the links. And anything you guys do here, it helps support our channel, and we appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. Let's get back to the video. Got it. All right, guys, today we're going to try to get the engineered hardwood flooring done. This is similar to the product and engineered hardwood flooring that we use in the cabin, but this stuff was discontinued, so we had to go with something that looked very similar. We're going to get the subfloor cover. We're just going to put paper on the floor like we did in the cabin and underlayment and go from there. Sound good? Mm-hmm. It's said to glue this edge, which should only be like 2 or 3 seams, and the last edge. You don't have to glue anything else, because once that piece is solid, it won't let the rest of it shift. Let's see how square or unsquare our room is. 41 and a half. 141 and a quarter, so that's good. It's only like a quarter of an inch off. Alright, guys. Sorry about the lighting in here. So this stuff we're going to install floating floor style, not staple it down. Maybe that's a mistake, but it says it can be done. So, but you need a 1/2 inch gap around the whole thing. So 1/4 inch, but right now I'm going to use these staples. I'm just going to set them along the wall so I don't get too close to the wall and then too close to this wall over here. That way, when the wood flexes with moisture and heat and stuff, it won't buckle. And just a little bit of this glue.
little ones. We'll save those ones for later. Put this medium-sized one on there right now, okay? I think you go outside just to get cold, so you can lay right back here. Here you go. Stop, Mama get you some cookies too, okay? Mama get you a couple cookies. Puppies, get him!
No!
Get him!
No!
Get him!
I'm laying down on the job, but I can't even do that.
Get him! Tell him! Tell him!
They keep me in check.
Get him! Get him, boys! Get him!
Don't jump all over this. I don't have it done yet.
You like the floor?
Let's test it out and see if it gets all scratched up. We need to try it out. All right, come on. Go jump around the other stuff.
We can't jump around the other places. No place to do it at. Oh my goodness, little boys.
All right, I'm gonna lay these in here and get them to the right length, and then we'll just take them out.
Okay.
That way I'm done cutting and done with everything, and then we can spray foam and then flop them back in.
Okay. No stop. Stay out.
Paper towel. Just yeah. Wipe up the All right, guys, it's a little dark here. It's late in the evening, or later in the evening. Plus, it's been dark and dreary. So, let's set it there. We'll try it once we get done. So, I just want to show you real quick the floor before we get the furniture back in here, because you won't be able to see it too well. But look at it. I think it's beautiful.
It looks good.
Now,
It'll be a good contrast with the pine tongue and groove once we get that in. But that will be the next crappy weather time.
Yeah. So we'll get some pine tongue and groove on the walls next time we have a few crappy days, right?
Yeah, but at least we don't have to be cold anymore or step on OSB.
Yep. So
kind of a step in the right direction.
Yeah. Check it out, guys.
Put that wall up there. I might not be able to get out of it. So.
Lift it and flip it.
That's 25.4.
25. Yeah, I don't gonna stay like that for a little while until it starts dying. You know, it always runs high until you take the charge off of it for a little while.
The puppies are a little bit excited. Motion activated automatically. Looks like where do you get the panel at?
Front where the solar panel there at.
Oh, okay. That's good, right? 99 volts.
How many amps?
10.4.
That's good. I don't know how. Probably because it's the perfect angle right now.
Suck it up, suck it
And
up.
it's chilly, so everything's more efficient when it's chilly. Guys, it's been snowing and raining
For
for
3
3 days. Look at the snow on the deck. So guess what I got out?
The sunshine for 3 damn days. That's so funny. I'm full of jokes.
So I haven't used the generator since
Last year.
we installed that last winter, or we installed that charger last winter. 4 or 5 days of no sunshine. It got down into 23.9 volts, which is below, you don't want it below 24, 24.2. So, but we'll get a little sunshine today, hopefully, and we get 4 days of sun after 3 days of sun after this.
70, guys. I want to be in a tank top.
It's funny, guys. We do projects the last couple years, like when we built this solar array last year. In the morning, there's like 4 inches of snow, and then the afternoon we're in t-shirts and shorts.
Good old Michigan.
Good old Michigan. So people are like, why is the weather, why it's different days? I'm like, no, it's the same day. It's just the sun came out and melted it all away. So it's crazy. But anyway, we grabbed all our water from the water tank because it was completely full, this is probably the last batch, or this is the last batch of water we'll take down to the bathhouse for the year.
Then we'll be able to take showers inside.
Eventually. So
That's the goal. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's got to be.
we gotta be able to use a potty and shower inside this winter.
Hopefully it breaks up some more.
Hopefully it breaks up, yeah. So all right, let's head down to camp and transfer water. We're gonna take a little puppy walk.
Guess we go for puppy walk?
You wanna go for a walk?
Come on, let's
You're
go
gonna
for a
walk down with them, and I'm gonna.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, you're gonna walk down with them, I assume, right?
So pretty out.
Whew. All right, water tank is filling for the shower, so we can take showers for the next few weeks.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, probably 45 minutes of that going. Cool, guys. Sunshine's coming out, but I don't think for long. Just for a few minutes, just to give us.
5 minutes of sunshine here and there. Better than nothing.
So, guys, we have this storage shed, or short storage building, all ready for rafters. We put the rafters and the metal on,
Then we can
and
store some stuff in it.
we'll have storage for stuff for this winter, like
Everything that's outside.
everything that's outside that you've been looking at. We've been looking at for a year, all summer at least. So here's the metal. We had to buy half the metal. The other half of the metal is coming from
What we were going to use on the porch.
Yeah.
Which is okay. Because those are just on hold. Maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't.
Yeah, maybe we'll build it next year. But you know what? Once you build it, you can't take it down. So
Yeah.
kind of like trees, you can't put them back up. So think about it, right?
Yeah.
Let's go for a little stroll. Sun's gone. Look at it. 2 minutes of sunshine.
Scout's so happy. That was timber.
So guys, there's a couple pages on Facebook along with our off-grid Jay and Jen. There's some off-grid pages that are fun to look at. And one of the posts showed a tiny little cabin, like little shack pretty much. Not a cabin, just like a shack. And a Ford 8N. It said it's not an off-grid cabin if you don't have a Ford 8N tractor. So I can agree to that. So that tractor has been an awesome thing to have around, and you guys, if you've been here a long time, seen our early videos, and we use that a lot to clear stuff and plow the camp and all that stuff. So we had to rent a skid steer for up at the cabin because I don't know if I can get the tractor up.
Tractor would not work.
Tractor would have gotten done what we wanted to get done anyway, so we rented the skid steer.
Wasn't too bad either.
Too bad what wise?
Expensive. Like,
Oh yeah, it's like $500 for the weekend.
we rented it on a weekend.
Yeah, if you rent them on Saturday, sometimes you can pick them up Friday night, keep them Saturday and Sunday, and just drop them off. But you still only get the same amount of hours. But so if you guys want to see an old video that didn't get a lot of love, 2 years ago, almost a year and a half ago, go check out my skid steer video, clearing the land. You know, we not clearing the land, but clearing around the cabin. You see what it looked like before we did what we did.
There he is.
So,
He's coming.
all right, guys, enjoy the scenery for a little bit. We're a little bit past peak here.
We would have maybe had them, but kind of some death wind / snow / pretty awful.
Yeah. Moo cow. Moo cow number 2.
He's just like way ahead of us, which is fine because he's not going there, but
Not getting bothered.
he's enjoying himself. Heated vest.
You got your heated vest on? Is it working?
Yeah.
That's good.
Keeping me cozy. And
Ow.
his Crocs.
Yeah. Those Crocs are not good for the snow. I've slipped and fallen twice now. I went out to take a leak yesterday or this morning, and I slipped and fell right on my butt. And I fell yesterday too.
Serves you right.
I only wear them because I go in and out 1,000 times. I'm not doing anything important. They're basically my go out and take a pee shoes. We all needed this.
Fresh air.
We all needed some fresh air.
Gonna be wet, muddy dogs, but whatever. That's why we got lots of towels.
Boys being a team.
Alright guys, you just saw the floor and the whole bedroom all finished. Well, not finished, gotta get the tongue and groove on the walls and stuff, but finished for now. Insulation's in, flooring's done. 2 really big steps checked off of our list, right? Leave us a comment, let us know what you think about our flooring. Give us a thumbs up. And if you're new here to the channel, make sure you're subscribed so you can check out all our old videos and our new ones that are coming. We try to post at least one a week. Thank you again, guys. We really appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you.